Hey folks, Adam here again, and this is the XTROVAC 410. This thing is a great little stick vacuum for cleaning up the bottom of your pool. That's right. If you've got dirt and debris that you need to get up, this uses a little propeller, sucks up the water and leaves your debris right in this bag that floats above it. Now all you have to do is add a little stick right here, vacuum over the dirt and debris and clean it up. This is a great way to clean up spots like leaves and things in the bottom of your pool. Now XTROVAC has made an extra powerful battery for this, and the easy on and off, it charges right here, and the on off is right there as well. So if you're looking for a great product, this thing is going to do a great job of cleaning up your pool. No longer do you have to drain out the pool or get in the pool and pull out those leaves by hand. XTROVAC is doing this. You know how much it hurts the pocketbook to be replacing filters and cleaning your pool and having the pool guy come out all the time. We don't want the pool guy coming out all the time. This is going to make a world of difference in terms of cleaning your pool, making it fresh, nice, and presentable. Having a good looking pool is a status symbol, and XTROVAC is helping you make that status symbol in your life absolutely positive. So anyway, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products we own and we love, and Kokido makes a great product. Again, let me go ahead and actually take this off for you. You're gonna wanna stick around for the up close portion of the video, but this is a great product, and you can see this little propeller here goes ahead, sucks up the water, and shoots the debris into the bag for you, doing all the work. This one's definitely worth it. So go ahead and pick it up. If your question is, should I put it in my cart? The answer is heck yes, you should. Again, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products we own and we love. And guess what? This one is a winner. All right, stick around for the up close portion of the video. All right, folks, and as a bonus, I want to show you, this is just a minute or two of pool vacuuming all the stuff that we got out of here. There's a surprising amount of hair in the bottom of the pool, which I didn't know about, but yeah, just a lot of dirt, debris, full size leaves and things of the sort. So this thing is ultra powerful, ultra fantastic, and you're definitely gonna wanna pick it up because you don't want this in the bottom of your pool. All right, there you go. Now stick around for the up close portion of the video. I mean it. All right, folks, I can't wait to show you this really cool product up close and personal. This is essentially a pool vacuum cleaner, stick not included. We're gonna put a little stick in here, but I wanna show you everything that comes in the box. Obviously your 110 charging cable. This has a 2000 mAh battery. This thing is designed and intended to vacuum up things as big as leaves. That's right, leaves can be vacuumed up. Suck them up with your Kokido pool products and innovations. This thing is absolutely incredible. This is the XTROVAC 410. Its input is DC 8.4 volts, 1 amp. Its output is a 15 watt max. This has a 7.4 volt battery. And look at this. This is just smart technology here. It uses a little fan. I'm gonna take this off so you can see it. This is where all your debris gets caught. Look at how big that bag is, because you're gonna get full leaves with this. And then it uses this little, pretty much like a propeller in here to vacuum up the water and shoot it out here, and all your solids stay in the mesh bag and all the water goes through. It's a really smart idea, and you're just gonna drive this along the bottom of your pool. I've never seen anything like it, but I can't wait, because we all know that maybe you just get that one leaf and you can't quite get it. Being able to stick this into your pool, drive it around, and vacuum it up like a traditional vacuum cleaner, but for your pool. So smart and so innovative. The folks at Kokido and XTROVAC are so intelligent, so smart. It's a company that I trust. Like my buddy Matt, he has an in-ground pool. Amy has an in-ground pool. I've got a swim spa. We all use Kokido products. They've been in business for 30 years. They're innovators in the pool business, and they're absolutely fantastic. This is a smart design. I'm so excited about it. So go ahead and pick yours up, folks. Again, smart charge, easy design, and there's nothing but the best here. Pick up your Kokido products. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam. Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products we love, and I love XTROVAC. They're the best vacuum that I've ever seen for pools. So go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. Again, This thing is amazing. If your question is, should you pick it up? My answer is, heck yes, you should. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Thank you for being a friend, being down that lonely road and back again. Your heart is true, you're a pal and a confidant. Adios, amigos.